Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we built a full CRUD API using the repository pattern in clean architecture. Now in this video, we are going to take that a step further by introducing a more scalable and reusable approach, the generic repository pattern. I will explain the why, the how, and also when you should use it with diagram and real code example. Let's get started. If you have worked with multiple entities in your API, you have probably written the same CRUD logic again and again, like get product, get all product, add product, update. So written the same CRUD code for every entity can make your project messy and hard to manage. The generic repository patterns helps by reusing common code and keeping things clean. Let me show you how this fit into clean architecture. So the controllers call the service use the generic repository. The generic repository talks to the database via DB context. This keeps the system loosely coupled and testable. Okay, now let's jump into the practical side. I will speed up the video a bit because it's mostly coding work just to save your time and keep things smooth. So first we create a base entity. Move ID to entity. Create an interface. Make it the generic. Right there. Okay. Entity. 1, 2, 3. So here we will get back product ID, add update leads, and put this. So just to verify that what we have in previous product repository. So wide, and we pass the product here. Go back, then to wide, just 8. No. Nothing. There are also two. Create a class in the repository folder. Name is generic repository. Make it generic. Friends. Implement here. Okay. Need to inject our DB context class. Yes. Make it wait. This use a string. Here get by ID. Done with string. Here we write save. is that where the ID equal to product ID. What is product ID? What is product ID? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. And also here. And update which is to write some contact then the new entity will need to attach. Then we need to write some table to attach. That's the method we need to. So first we need to attach, and then after that we need to modify it. Now the object is fine, everything. And now we need to register this repository in our service. Now use this repository in our controller. Just pass the product entity. Okay, and use this. Yeah, okay. I is coming the typing cannot be creative generated is the integer product. Why? Oh, we did not pass our best entity here. It because we create child message and remove. Forget to remove this. Sorry for that. So here and okay. So just change the method name dot get product get thing everything get by ID passing setting is okay. Good. Get by ID passing remove or delete. What we created? Delete. So now we need to test our application. Go to the terminal. Build. One thing I forget, product. Yay. Done. Now we need to test our application into the Postman. So go to there, test to get all products. We have 3 products in the database. Get by ID, to get by ID, that's 2, 2, and starting add product, copy this, add product, product, and what else? Product, 2, then post to update. So ID number 8, product is updated, Now update this ID 8. What is copy? Copy. And 204 no content count. This means is updated. Now for that, write some code. Update now. Now next is delete. So there and number 8 product should be deleted. Okay. 204 no content. It means it's deleted. Check all product you have. Now delete is not there. I'm sorry, the product number 8 is not there. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.